guys, it's another Vlogmas day. So here is something very special you want to make for this Christmas holiday for your family and friends. Got the egg sauce with white yam. So guys, let's get started.
More music on DavePlay.com.